Good morning. We're gonna do a little what I eat in a day video for you. And we always start a day with tea, decaffeinated tea. We don't drink caffeine, and when we do, it's on occasion. So we got decaf chai, super delicious. Great way to start the morning. We got work today, so we're just gonna hang out. We got a smoothie coming up, then we got lunch, and then we're going out for dinner. So for breakfast, we usually have a smoothie, and usually I just throw in kind of like whatever we have. So we're gonna start with water. It would be nice to have like almond milk in it, but that's just expensive. So we use water as a base. In our Vitamix blender, which honestly, I don't know how we would live without our Vitamix. It's the best thing in the world. Then we're gonna throw in, I've got some frozen fruit. So I have mango and strawberries. So I just take a handful, a couple dollops of that. And we got strawberries. Bit of that, and we have some bananas who desperately need to be eaten. This is good. You can also freeze bananas if they get a little too old, like right about now. They should go into the freezer, so you don't ever have to waste your bananas. So then I'm going to put in a little bit of flaxseed. Gives you good poops. We got chia seeds. Toss some chia seeds in there. And we have whole hemp seeds. They're supposed to have really good protein and have good fats in here, so throw some hemp seeds in there. We have some of this powdered peanut butter. This is chocolate flavored. So we will throw a little bit of that in here. And then we're gonna top it off with some kale. What's nice about the peanut butter is it helps to kind of mask the kale taste because it's pretty strong. Just gonna take a really big handful of that. And that's it. Stick your So when you put the strawberries in with the green, it turns this kind of like a nasty brown diarrhea color. Don't be put off by that. But if you wanted to do like pineapple and mango with the green, it would make it a really nice like green. But we just work with what we have. I don't really care what it looks like. So we got diarrhea brown smoothies.
The chocolate peanut butter really comes through with the fruit to help keep the kale at bay. It's delicious. I'm super hungry, so let's make some lunch. Lately we've been eating a lot of salads, you know, typical spinach, carrots, radishes, maybe some peppers and a little dressing. But I've been dressing them up a little bit with tofu and beans because I'm a growing boy and I like to eat a lot of food. So the first thing you do, press your tofu with this magic device called the Tofu Express, which we'll link in the description down below. And what that does is that pulls all of the water out of the tofu and it leaves it nice and compressed and dense. So I like to cut mine into cubes, which just makes it cook a little bit better. So I start by cutting it in slices. I drop one on the floor. Turn it and cut into cubes. Like so. Put a little oil in. So I make a fairly simple salad. I don't like a lot of extra stuff in there. So I usually just grab a couple handfuls of spinach. Really fill the bowl up because that's going to be what fills you up the most. I'll drop in some radish coins because for some reason of all the vegetables I like, radishes are in that list. And then also some carrots. Boom, man salad. So we've been using the Just line of dressings. Today I'm going to be using the Just Ranch, which we found pretty frequently at Walmart. I would like to see it a little bit more frequently, but we've been fairly lucky. Another go-to personal favorite of mine is the Just Caesar. If you really like Caesar salads, you're really going to enjoy this one. This one I don't care for too much, but Hayden loves it, and that is the Just Thousand Island dressing. It's got a little bit of a mustardy, dilly kind of a flavor, which is not my favorite, but she loves it, and I bet it would make a fantastic Reuben with it. Now that most of the sides have gotten a nice crisp on them, just kind of jostle them around a little bit. And we'll put a little bit of soy sauce on them. One tip, if you drain the liquid out of the beans, you'll reduce the sodium by almost 40%. I like my beans.
So the magical fruit.
They are the magical fruit. Adding the beans and the tofu to the salad is an easy way to add a lot of protein to a quick, simple meal. Okay, that's lunch. Oh.
Alrighty, so for dinner we're popping into downtown Cincinnati and we're going to Shanghai Mama's for some vegan Chinese food. So hopefully it's good. It says vegan right on the sign. Let's go. So we ordered the veggie gyozas to start. They look pretty good. The sauce that it's in is like a ginger sauce. That's probably the best part about these. Otherwise there's just some veggies in there. They're good, they're fried. The sauce is what's the best part. And then I got the faux ribs with orange sauce on it. And I'm so excited. I always order the orange chicken. So clearly I didn't stray from my usual. They look pretty good. It's really good. The orange sauce is really good. The ribs are, it's a little more chicken. I don't know if I'd call them ribs, but they're crispy. It's good seitan. And I can't wait to eat this whole thing. It's come with veggies. It looks really awesome.
So I got the Happy Buddha Bowl, which is seitan, tofu, veggies, and all of that's in a ginger soy sauce with a side of brown rice. This is delicious. The sauce that this is in is incredible. The tofu had a great texture to it. The veggies, they look like they're going to be fantastic. So I can't wait to dive in.
Oh man, that was so good. I ate it all.
For some reason, I was able to put down the chopsticks and save half my dinner for later.
I went for it, and it was good. It was really good, solid Chinese food. Shanghai Mama's in downtown Cincinnati. And I hope you enjoyed watching our What I Eat in a Day video. Hopefully we inspired you to go vegan.
So if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. And if you like what we're doing, hit that like button. And make sure you tap that bell icon so you get a notification every time we release a new video.
That's it for this episode. We'll see you next time.
See ya.
The television, I wanna see you staring right back at me. We all be up.